This rockyard at the Johnson Space Center in Houston, Texas, provides some rugged conditions to help train for a moon mission. It's ideal for small tests of lunar gear and exploration processes. But future Artemis missions to the moon demand full rehearsals for long traverses across a vast, desolate landscape. A greater open range is needed than can be provided by this location.
We have some great facilities located here at NASA JSC, but in order to figure out how we operate in these large expanses, going on the field is really the only way to do that.
To find the right place to spread out for a large-scale moon rehearsal, NASA has to hit the road.
This is one of our larger integrated field tests. We do smaller scale tests depending on what the nature of the objectives and the goals are for each one. This was a big one.
This is the San Francisco Volcanic Field in northern Arizona. Barren, rugged, geologically perfect for rehearsing long walks on the moon.
Yeah, the legacy out here in the Arizona desert, this is a beautiful place to train. Apollo used it to train.
It's the right scale of exploration. So the science targets, the EVA targets, the spacewalk targets. So it gives us a robust way to test our hardware and our infrastructure in a high fidelity environment.
A campsite is set up. Cones are laid out to represent a lunar lander, the starting point for the journey. There are 4 EVAs, or extravehicular activities, to rehearse. Some are in the day, and some at night. Part of this test is recreating the unique lighting conditions of the lunar South Pole. During the EVAs, the astronauts collect rock samples as they would on the moon. This requires stooping, using tools for grabbing, scooping, and sometimes chipping off small samples from a boulder. During this work, mock spacesuits are worn to get the right feel for these tasks.
You know, we can't just walk around like we're in shirt sleeves. We're going to account for this really big bulk of the lunar suit.
Mission Control itself has a back room. This is the SIR, the Science Evaluation Room.
What the science backroom or science evaluation room for Artemis is actually the brain trust of lunar scientists and geologists. And their job is to feed insights and recommendations up to the crew during a mission to make sure that those objectives are represented and accomplished throughout the mission. So it's really kind of where the lunar science magic happens within the flight control team and within mission control back on Earth.
The science team is testing the processes of how they will work with the astronauts and mission control for collecting samples.